Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Nokia 6.1. This phone is a bit old as we can compare with the new 6.1 Plus, but we do need to compare that what we miss if we don't get this phone. We get pretty much a lot of features more than the 6.1 Plus as compared to the display, but we get in the hardware contacts we get a lot of things here, but we don't get in the 6.1 Plus. So first of all, we get here a Qualcomm's Snapdragon 630 processor, but in the 6.1 Plus you won't get a Qualcomm processor, as well as you will get a MediaTek processor. Here you will get the regular 16:9 aspect ratio display and 16 megapixel Zeiss lens. So let me open this up and we'll see what we get here. So here we go, friends. I need to open the seal up. Okay. So you get a nice tab here, pull it out. The packaging is very simple. We get the phone here. Since this is the 4GB model, we get the blue one. Look at this aside. We get a SIM tray opener here. As usual, the user manuals. If we take this one out, keep this all aside. Okay, I'll open this up from this side, and we get a charger, USB charger. This has, since it is a big one, I think we will be getting a. Yes, we have standard charging option as well as the fast charging option here. Since it has the both 2.5 ampere and 2 ampere, both 9 volt and 12 volt. So it is a fast charger. Keep this aside. What more we get here? Okay. These earbuds are, I think, standard earbuds. These are not much of difference. Let me open this out. Okay, these are normal earbuds, as you can see here. These are very normal earbuds, and we get the standard USB-C data cable. As you can see here, this is a USB-C port. So let's get all this aside and switch on the phone. Okay. To unbox this. Yes, you can see here this phone is big like a slab, and the edges are chamfered, so you feel very nice to hold it, and it's steady, and the color is nice. It looks like deep blue and light blue mix up, but it feels very nice. And you get a fingerprint sensor on the back. You get a USB-C connector, your loudspeaker, your microphone. You have another microphone here, and the usual 3.8 mm headphone jack, front camera. The power button and the volume rocker are both on the same side. So let me switch it on. This is a good thing that Nokia has adapted to Android One, because you get 2 years of software update as promised by the Nokia HMD Global, that we will be getting 2 years of software update, and I think 1 year would be with the security update. So the phone is on now. It's fast. This phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, as I said you earlier. It has a 4GB of RAM. Since you can see it is a blue one, we get only 4GB in the blue phone only. And I don't have a SIM now. If we set up as new, skip, continue, okay, next, skip anyway. I don't want any lock. Oh wow, it is the pure Android, so you don't get much of a bloatware like the Samsung or HTC. You just get the normal software as you can use here. And friends, I have used both iPhone and Android simultaneously a lot of time. And I found out that if you are using a pure Android and if you are using a iPhone, then the software doesn't matter a lot, because pure Android is same as iOS, except your FaceTime and iMessage and your iOS, what we say about yes, the iOS softwares and all. So you get a good amount of softwares here, the normal softwares that are installed here, and these are all purely Google softwares. There are no Nokia softwares here, except no, there are no Nokia softwares here, none. This is a nice thing to hear, friends. It's a nice thing to hear, and I think this would be Android 8.1 or 8.0. Oh, 8.1, as you can see here. This is the Android 8.1, and it has got the 1 April 2018 security patch. And you do get security patch updates for every month. So display is very nice. Let us check out the picture. Taking a photo here. Okay, allow. Okay, next. Got it. So we will take a picture of this guy here. Okay. No. Here. Let's take a picture. The picture quality is nice, and as I can see here, the focus is good here. So I would suggest that the camera is nice and good. So that's all, my friends. This was the unboxing video of Nokia 6.1 4GB model. And if you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask me. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.